Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Maniology high voltage and bases loaded lacquer windshield wipers. Creative Shop 17 and I'm starting off with Nailtiques Formula 2. This is Maniology's high voltage. Not a stamp and polish, a regular polish. And I'm trying to use my little stand here. And it's just a learning curve I don't know that I'm willing to go through. So we're going to get through this here coat of polish and then we're gonna nope, don't like it, moving on. I don't know, it's just not my thing. I'm gonna remove it and get that free edge capped. Now I am wicked impressed about the opacity on this yellow. Look at this. I mean, I'm going in with my second coat and yellows are finicky, whether it's a neon, a pastel. Yellows can be really finicky, and I'm really happy with this one. I can still see some visible nail line. It's okay. I'm okay with it. And hi, Woody. How you doing? I'm going to top it with I&M's Out the Door. And get it to dry down. And then we're going to do something else, and then something else, and we're just going to keep playing. You'll just join me while I work my way through this manicure. There we go. Very nice. Love it. You can still see the visible nail line. We're okay with it because we're putting on bases loaded lacquer windshield wipers. This is just a fantastic topper. It's got everything I need. It's got hollow. It's got flakies. It's got all the stuffs. And I am loving it. So we did the one coat. We're going to top it with I&M's Out the Door again because we just can't get enough of our top coats. You guys know I do lots of layers. I mean, and I know a lot of people don't have the time or feel like they don't have the time. But for me, doing this quick dry top coat saves me time because I'm not bumping it and ruining it. It dries down faster. Look at that gorgeous. Yes. Creative Shop 17 is the stamping plate we're playing with today. I got out bases loaded lacquer on the black. And I've got out my Monocle stamper and a Maniology scraper. And we're just going to get busy playing. We are. We're just going to play. Go scrape that, roll it, pick it up. Slide that out of my way a little bit. And we're going to plop that down on the nail. Oh, yes, so cute. Even on my little short nails. Cleaning that stamping plate off with acetone. And here we go with a little bit more. I'm going to scrape this one. Pick it up. And put it to the nail. I am going to do a different image here in just a moment. But I am doing that image on all of my nails except for my accent nail. And here we go with that accent nail. It's like a little bush or flower or plant, you know, something that the butterflies like. And I just thought that would be cute. It's a little something different. And then back to the butterfly. Yep. And I really did like this one. You guys know when we hit this time of year, I really do enjoy me some bright manicures. And to me, when you're using neons and you stamp anything black over it, it just pops. It's just so poppy. So I'm going to clean off this stamping plate with some acetone so I can get it ready to put away. Well, actually, I keep buckets that I put my polish and my plates in when I'm done. Because I don't like putting things all the way away when my nails are wet. I'm scared I'm going to mess them up. So I've started buckets. It's called my put away bucket. Cleaning my little stamping mat. Now I'm hopping in with a piece of tape, getting some of this excess up off of my skin. The more I can get up with the tape, the less I have to worry about cleaning up with the acetone. But we are still going to have to break out the acetone. We just won't have to spend as much time on it. This works really well. Alright, now for my little cleanup with the brush. some acetone. I dip my brush down into the acetone and then I dab it on a paper towel so that it's not just floating. We're going to top these off with some Maniology smudge-free top coat. And once that is dry, I'll be going in with Sèche Vite today. Glossy, quick dry top coat. Very nice, very nice. Yes, yes. Capping that free edge. Ta-da! Yay! Here is my swatch photo. I do hope you enjoyed this one. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.